Hi everybody, Susan Timchak here, Stampin' Sue Creates. I was doing some winding of my bobbin and I thought, well, maybe you'd like to see how that's done. I have the Brother Innovis, or Innovis, haven't really quite figured that out yet, NQ1600E, which simply stands for embroidery. So you can buy pre-wound bobbins. I find that my machine really likes when I wind the bobbins. I'm using, this is bobbin, whoops, I want to do that. This is bobbin thread. My cat found something here on the floor that she's playing with. This is embroidery bobbin thread. This is the Brother 90 pound. This is 100% polyester. It actually came with my machine when I purchased it, and you get quite a lot on here. However, I did find that it's quite expensive through Amazon. I believe like 5 spools of this. 5 spools? Hold on a sec. What is that? Oh. She found the lid to, where are you guys? The lid to my little iron that fell on the floor. So thank you, Dory. So about 5 spools of this costs about $50 on Amazon. So that's like $10 a spool. It's a little bit costly for my budget, so I'm gonna continue searching. But anyhow, so here's a quick and simple how to do it. You just stick your bobbin on here. There's this little spool holder that comes with it. Now when I do my embroidery, I found not using that spool holder, it works much better. So you're going to thread it here 1, 2, and then around here is number 3, and then it will take you over here to the bobbin area. So I'm just going to go down at 1, up at 2. I'm going to come to this little metal piece and go around, and there's photos, little pictures on here, and around that little thing. Then I'm going to stick my bobbin on here. And I'm going to take this string thread and I'm going to wrap it around a few times going clockwise. Okay, I'm going to push it over to the right. What happens there, and hopefully you won't fall on the floor like last video. See this little light here? Well, on the screen here it looks yellow or green, but it's actually an orange color. Okay, so that means it's ready to wind the bobbin. I need to get a better holder for when I'm doing these types of videos. Okay, so I'm going to press the button, and I'm going to take this thread and I'm going to put my finger under here, because what I found was happening was the thread was gathering underneath. So that was a suggestion, one of my Facebook friends. So I'm going to put my finger there. I'm going to push the button. Okay, we're going to stop it because something's not working right. Let's try this again. Put the spool on here. Gonna wrap it around. So what was happening, it was going round and round, but nothing was really happening. It wasn't threading on. So, all right. Push it over to the side again. I'm gonna hold this thread up, push the button, and there we go. See, that's very quick, simple. It does it really fast. And I have to say, this spool of bobbin thread, I have done quite a lot of bobbins since I've only had this machine a little over a week. I've done a ton of work on it. I mean, I gotta tell you, this machine is a workhorse. So if you're interested in it, oh, hold on a second, we got caught. This happens. There's a little niche. I'm going to take this off and turn it the other way. There's a little niche in the spool. And I should have checked that beforehand. But let's get going again, see how we're... Hold on. Are we going underneath there? Nope, we're on. All right, hold on. Okay, I think we have to stop this because for some reason it's very... Oh, there we go. All right. Push it over. Okay, good to go. Oh. All right. I don't know. See, these things happen. Okay. So we're going to have some thread under here. Okay. We're going to go ahead and fill another one. Let's see how that works. sometimes these things happen, and I'm glad that this is happening when you all are watching me. So let's try to take it all off again. And we're going to try it again. Now I'm going to look at the spool. Okay, where's that little notch? There's a little notch there, and that's what was getting hung up on. So let's try it again. But actually, if you're interested in an embroidery machine, definitely do your homework. Definitely decide if you're interested in embroidery only, or if you sew. They also have available embroidery and sewing machines. So it's a combo. So you can have your choice of embroidery or sewing, and it just, the little part of it, okay, alrighty, will pop off and on depending on what you want to do. So let's try this again. Let's see. This might be a bad bobbin. Might have a bad bobbin, because I would think, you know, these are plastic. I see where it's getting hung up. Oh, it's hung up on that spool again. Maybe because it's coming down to the end of it. But no worries. But definitely do your homework. You know I did my homework. I don't really have and let's try this again. It's getting caught up on this spool. Okay, I'll take it off again. So I definitely did my homework, but like I said, normally you don't have these troubles, but I think it's because it's coming down to the end of the spool. Just make sure this is all threading. Yep, that's threading. That's going around. And let's see where we're going here. Oh, it's caught up on that. Yep, that's what the culprit is right there. There's a little notch on there. Okay, shouldn't be doing that. Trial and error sometimes, you know. But I'll tell you, the machine knows when something is not right, and it usually will let you know. Yeah. There's definitely something happening with this spool. It's getting caught up on there. Okay, there we go. We're going now. We're cooking. Nope, we're stuck again. You know what I think I'm going to do? I'm thinking I'm going to put a little piece of washi tape there on that little niche. And if I could find it. Is that it? Let's see if that'll kind of help a little bit. All right, let's see. Oh, now it'll get caught on the washi tape. Maybe not such a good idea. Here's what we're going to do. Let's take this spool thing, tighten it up a little bit. Okay, we're going good now. You can see where something's going. There we go. Coming down to the end of the spool. That's what's happening here. Probably be able to complete this whole bobbin with the end of this thread, I think. There we go. We're coming down up. We didn't quite make it. See, it'll stop moving. So we'll slide it over. We'll lift off our bobbin. Just going to cut that with our scissors. And I don't think I have another bobbin to fill. I think I did all the other ones. But anyhow, that's quick and simple how to refill your bobbin. I'm going to take this off of here because this is like a little rat's nest. And this is how much we have left. So, well, we'll see. Put it off to the side. Anybody do anything with these spools? I mean, it's hard plastic. It's a cute little design. I'll have to see if there's something I can do with that. But anyhow, sorry about the glitches, but that's what happens when you're doing a video. And that's a great way for you guys to learn, is by someone doing it, having glitches, and finding out what they do to correct their glitches. So, I hope this helped you out. Thanks for joining me. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up, even though I had glitches. I mean, I still deserve a thumbs up because we found ways to a solution. Oh, one other thing is if you find that you get a nest of thread under here, this little piece actually comes off. And I didn't know that when I had all the thread caught under. So that simply comes off. Make sure it's pressed all the way down and you shouldn't have any problems with that. So thanks for joining me. Hit the subscribe, thumbs up. Let me know that you liked what you saw. And I'll see you back here again real soon. Bye for now.